Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change size of color inversion floating shortcut button in Realme 14x phone. First we need to go to settings. Next in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next in the vision tab we have color inversion here. We can manually enable or disable this option here of course, and first we need to enable shortcuts. And here we have our shortcuts menu. Yes, okay. Enable shortcuts. We need to choose something, whatever. Now, we need to go to the shortcut menu. We have the floating button here, but if it's not visible, we need to go to options, and in the location, we need to select floating button. Now, how to change its size? Here it is, size. So we can have our button smaller, or we have our button larger, and that's pretty much it. We can move our button from edge to edge, of course, and that's all.